finger makes A, U, C. Playing B to A, just add the middle. It's the start of the siren, it's annoying just a little. When playing the A note to the B, take away the middle, just two, not three. Back and forth between the B and A, your annoying siren is on display. Remember the B note is on line 3, the A note on second space, F, A, C, E. Let's combine both B and A. I go, you repeat. Ready, play. Annoying siren song. Annoying siren song. Annoying siren song. Annoying siren song. Now it's time to jam along with the music, come on, and keep the beat strong. Get your B and A note rocking all day. 1, 2, ready, play.